Hi guys, welcome to Jaffa AdSense. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google AdSense account in Ukraine. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'll be opening a Chrome to show this. Firstly, you have to have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, kindly create one. So to create a Gmail account, you can simply go to google.com. So let's wait while the google.com is loading. So what you are going to do is click on Gmail. You can see I have a Gmail sign in already. That's why it's going to my Gmail. In your own case, you have to sign in your Gmail. You have to have a Gmail account. So once you have a Gmail account, simply search for Google AdSense. Google AdSense. So I will leave the URL in the description so you can use it for easy purpose. So once I click on, this is the Google AdSense. So once you click on Google AdSense, so you click on sign up. So once you see, this is my Gmail, which is frankfurt8@gmail.com. So you click on it once you have your own Gmail already. If you don't have your Gmail, kindly create your Gmail. So in my case, so you need to have a website to get started. Make sure your website is ready for AdSense and it has followed the AdSense policy. Make sure your website has a unique content. I made a video on how to create a unique content for Google AdSense, so you can go back and watch it. So in my own case, my website is bjsraw.com. So you choose your country, which is Ukraine. So let's select Ukraine. This is Ukraine here. So once you select Ukraine, click on agree and click on start using AdSense. So you can accept. So click on start using AdSense. So this is our dashboard. This is our dashboard here now. So since this is my dashboard here, so I'll fill in my payment information, which is my name, account type. Maybe the account is an organization, maybe it's an individual account, your name, your address, your city, your postal code, and your everything. So you click submit. In my own case, I'm not from Ukraine, so I'm just doing video in case of people who are in Ukraine, so as to get their AdSense account ready and to make money online. So once you click on Ukraine, you go to the ad settings. So you click on get started. You can simply turn on auto ads. You can simply turn on auto ads to apply this to your site. So once you turn on auto ads, so let's see why the site pops up. So you click apply to site. Once you click apply to site, so you go to your site. Dismiss. So you can see the ARC text file is not, so you have to copy your ARC text file. How are you going to do this? So simply click on to verify site ownership. So you can simply verify your site ownership and request review. Copy the URL, copy the ARC text file and put it at the root of your website to get started. So with this, you have a verified Google AdSense account. can see in my own case, this is my let me go to my AdSense account to show you my AdSense account here now. So this is my AdSense account here. This is simply my AdSense account. I made over $768 last month, and this month I've made over $211. So you can simply get yours ready and start making money immediately. If you need any question, put it in the comment section. I will make sure I attend to your question. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.